The shot particles on each flap impact against the steel surface, fracturing old coatings, which are then removed by the vacuum system. With a heavy-duty Rotopene system, you can remove virtually all of the old coatings or mill scale from the surface. Follow with Scotch-Brite Clean and Strip or Scotch-Brite Coating Removal Disc, and you can achieve a bare metal surface that's ready for welding or painting. As touch-up or as part of a comprehensive coating removal system, the heavy-duty Rotopene system is ideal for removing and containing hazardous coatings, such as lead-based paints, because it's portable, easy to set up, fast, 10 times faster than a needle gun, requires a smaller capital investment in equipment, generates less hazardous waste, there's no shot to worry about, and a vacuum removes the dust for true point-of-generation collection. The vacuum uses a high-efficiency particulate air HEPA filter, which removes 99.975% of airborne particulates that might contain lead or other hazardous materials. This means that there's significantly less risk of exposure to workers and to the public. In fact, the heavy-duty Rotopene system generates the least possible amount of hazardous waste. 3M manufactures 4 different types of heavy-duty Rotopene products for preparing steel surfaces and removing hazardous coatings. Type A, the most aggressive flap, uses a patented computer-optimized placement of shot particles that provides more uniform cleaning when removing thicker coatings from steel. Type B, which is designed to remove lighter latex or rubber-like coatings and to produce a high profile on steel. Type C, to descale steel, to remove general-duty coatings from steel, or to prepare steel to accept coatings. And Type D, an product which is used to remove moderately heavy coatings from steel. In order to meet SP11 specifications, preparing a roughened, clean, bare metal surface using the heavy-duty Rotopene system, follow these procedures. First, check the thickness of the coating you're removing. If it's thicker than 30 mils, start with cutters. Use the heavy-duty Rotopene system as a second step to create the proper profile. If the coating is less than 30 mils thick, start with the heavy-duty Rotopene system. Place a tarp on the ground below the area where you're working to collect any large paint chips that aren't captured by the vacuum system. There's no need for total containment, since the system effectively removes and contains lead-based paint and other hazardous coatings. Select the machine you want to use for the job. 3M authorized machines are available in several different widths to meet your needs. To achieve the best performance possible, be sure to follow the machine manufacturer's specifications regarding air pressure, cubic feet per minute, and maintenance of the machine. With the machine turned off, load the flaps on the hub. Make sure that the flaps are properly oriented with the printed side of the flaps facing the direction of rotation. Mount the hub on the spindle of the machine and replace the shroud shield. Next, hook up the vacuum to the shroud. Be sure that you have the proper air fittings and hoses to ensure optimal collection. Gloves and a half-mask HEPA respirator. Since the 3M system dramatically reduces the risk of exposure to paint dust, complete protective outerwear is usually not required for use by the tool operator, even when removing lead-based paints. Then plan your work. Engage the machine and make the highest pass you can reach, and then work down. This makes it easier on your arms. As you prepare the steel surface, use the heavy-duty Rotopene system on as many surface areas as possible, particularly open and flat areas. That way you'll take advantage of its speed, which will save you valuable time. Whenever possible, run the machine parallel with an edge, as you see here. If you can't run parallel with an edge, always run onto an edge, never off. Running off the edge will damage the heavy-duty Rotopene flaps. Avoid protrusions on the work surface, such as bolts and rivet heads. Next, use a needle gun to remove coatings in areas that you can't reach with a 3M system, such as corners and rivets. Then go over the surface with a right angle or straight shaft grinder fitted with a Scotch-Brite brand Clean and Strip disc, or a coating removal disc. These products are made of the same material. The difference is that the Clean and Strip disc is used on its edge, and the coating removal disc is used flat. Both will remove any remaining paint without removing the profile of the metal. After you're done, wipe the surface with a dry cloth, and that's all the cleanup you need. Surface for welding, there's an added advantage in that the 3M system actually compresses the iron molecules so that the metal will be stronger after it's been welded. In addition to cleaning to bare metal, the heavy-duty Rotopene system is ideal for maintenance and repair. So if you're only required to meet the SP3 specification, you can use the heavy-duty Rotopene system to quickly remove the necessary rust or paint. Whatever your surface preparation requirements, if you're interested in portability, speed of setup, improved productivity, and true point-of-generation collection for containing lead-based paints and other hazardous coatings, choose the heavy-duty Rotopene system from 3M. To find out more about the heavy-duty Rotopene system and 3M authorized machines, contact your local 3M representative.